back to CPA Career Path channel. And congrats that you passed all 4 sections of the CPA exam. Next step for you is the ethics exam. It's super ethical, where it's open book, open note, and unlimited time. I will show you step by step how to register and share with you some tips how to pass this ethics exam. It's so difficult for you to pass all 4 sections of the CPA exam, but it's super difficult for you to not pass this ethics exam. First and foremost, you need to go to carcpa.org in order to register for the Ethics CPA exam, and then go to Education Foundations and to select Ethics exam. This page will provide you all information about the ethics exam, and you will see that you have 50 multiple choice questions, and for unlimited time on the exam, it means you can start the exam, do a few questions, and then save, and then close the exam and come back to do it again. You have 6 attempts to finish this exam, and you need to have 90 or above to pass the exam. Make sure that you need to finish this exam 1 year after you register this ethics exam. It took me about a week to finish this exam, so it's really easy. It should not be a big deal for you at all. But once you pass this ethics exam, you have 2 years to complete the experience requirement in order to apply for the CPA license. Once you finish the exam, you will know the grade right away. Just a few minutes, they will send you an email showing the grade, and also if you pass or if you do not pass, and they show you the wrong answers only and suggest the area to study for this exam. And if you pass the exam, you will receive an email saying that congrats, you passed the exam. And on the right side, you will see different options for you to purchase this exam. It could be just online format only, it is just PDF, or it can be the text format. It includes both book and the PDF. And for me, I choose purchase text format because a lot of time I prefer to look at the book as well. But the PDF is the key for you to use when you take this exam. I don't think it's necessary for this preparation course, but it's optional for you. This exam, as I said, is pretty straightforward and pretty easy to pass. And on the top section, you will see for the membership, in order to make the payment, you need to have an account to log in this website. And so that's why you need to create the account, and pay attention that is free for the first year memberships if you are the CPA candidate. So why not? Just go and register to be a member and then get the study material. You will have the discount. In order to become a member, you select Join Online and select Join Online Now options. And you will see a lot of different options here. CPAs not working, non-CPAs, and it is the section that we focus on. If you are a student, make sure you select student option. It's free for you. And if you are a candidate, it will be free for the first year. So I will select the option for the first year free. When you select the Add to Cart first time, it will show you the next page. We will select Click Here options and create an account. You will enter the email address in this account. Follow step by step to fill out all information to finish all the steps to create the account. And so once you're done, you select continue, and it will show you that the email address you register will be the username when you log in the account and set up the password. Once you're done, you have the account. You will see this page show the information that you just filled out earlier about a new account. And when you're done, go back to the main page and you see the card is to purchase for the membership. Once you finish paying the memberships, you will receive this email saying that the first time candidate and is free for you. Go back to the page to select material options you want to purchase. And once done, you will receive this email. This is the discount price as a member. The tips to pass the CPA exam is that you have the exam on one side and you have the PDF file on the other side. And when you do the exam, search the keywords in the question in the PDF. That's easy for you to find the answer for the questions. Another option for you is that in the book at the end of each chapter, you have the questions and answer as well. You can briefly go through all these questions and answers and then go to the exam. Information in this ethics exam is very familiar with the information when you study for audit exam. And so if you just recently passed the audit exam, it's very beneficial for you when you take this ethics exam right away. Make sure you save the answers for each time you do not pass these exams, because the second time or third time when you take this, high chance that you will see the duplicate questions. It's the last exams in the process to be a CPA in California, and so you are so close to be a CPA. Congrats! After this ethics CPA exam, you just need to get experience and apply for the license. And yes, you will be a CPA anytime soon. Thank you so much for watching my videos. And if you have any questions, just comment below. If you like my videos, just subscribe to YouTube channels to watch more videos about CPA later. Thank you.